Mrs. Brown and Mrs. Green live in a townhouse. Mrs. Brown loves throwing parties, but is very disorganized. She often does not have enough food in her refrigerator upstairs to feed her guests who come in downstairs. Mrs. Green, however, is very organized and shops in bulk. Every package in her refrigerator upstairs has 10 items in it. She is very friendly and often helps out Miss Brown by loaning her a package of steaks for her parties. Miss Brown and Miss Green often visit each other using a secret door in the attic between their sides of the duplex. Last night, Miss Brown decided to throw a party and serve steaks. She needed to feed 7 people and only had 2 steaks in her refrigerator. In a panic, she called Miss Green and asked to borrow a package of steaks. Miss Green said sure and took a package of steaks out of her refrigerator, leaving her 5 packages left for her to use. Miss Green then took the package of 10 steaks and, going through the secret door in the attic, put the package of 10 steaks into Miss Brown's refrigerator. Now, Miss Brown has 12 steaks in her refrigerator. 10 steaks in the package plus 2 in Miss Brown's refrigerator equals 12 steaks. If Miss Brown uses 7 of the 12 steaks to serve at her party, how many steaks will she have left? 12 minus 7 equals what? Yes, she will have 5 left. Miss Green then used 3 of her 5 packages of steaks left in her refrigerator. How many packages does she have left? A digit of 5 in the tens place minus a digit of 3 in the tens place equals what? Yes, she has 2 packages left. There is a digit of 2 left over in the tens place.